Hi, boys and girls. This is day 4, and today is our review so that you can be ready for tomorrow's test. So we're still on Unit 8, Week 2, Day 4, and we're going to review our words with the suffix er and or. Let's begin. First, we're going to practice reading our spelling words. Repeat after me. Farmer, teacher, visitor, actor, sailor, baker, writer, doctor, dancer, inventor. Now we're going to do some phrase readings. We're going to do them really fast, okay? The farmer planted crops in his fields. Farmer, someone who farms. Number 2, which teacher did you have last year? Teacher, someone who teaches. Number 3, the visitor bought a souvenir at the museum's gift shop. Visitor, someone or one who visits. Number 4, the actor won an award for his terrific performance. Actor, one who acts, is an actor. Number 5, which writer is your favorite? Writer, someone who writes or one who writes. Number 6, my doctor prescribed 2 medicines when I was sick. Remember the word doctor? It comes from the Latin word, so it doesn't follow the English language. You just have to memorize it. Number 7, Thomas Edison was a famous inventor. Inventor, someone who invents or one who invents. Okay, by adding the suffix er, it changes the root word into someone who, like in fossil. R, like in car. Like in map. Farm. Now we're going to add the suffix er, and now it becomes a farmer. Someone who farms is a farmer. T, like in tomato. E, like in leaf. Ch, like in chair. Teach. We add the suffix er. Now it is someone who teaches is a teacher. B, like in bicycle. A, like in train. K, like in karate. Bake. But we want to add the suffix er, but because it ends with a silent E, we drop the E. Then we add the er, and it's someone who bakes. One who bakes is called a baker. R, like in rabbit. I, like in pie. T, like in tomato. Now we want to make someone who writes, but in this case, it ends with a silent E, so we drop the E. Then we add er, and now we have the word writer. Someone who writes is a writer. D, like in dolphin. A, like in apple. N, like in nest. S, like in sun. Now we have the word dance. Now we want to add the er, but it ends with a silent E, so we drop the E, and now we add er. So it's someone who dances is called a dancer. Now we have the suffix or. Now the most common is the er, but there's some words that go with the or, and it changes the verb into a noun, and it's someone who. Okay. V, like in van. I, like an inch. S, like in sun. I, like an inch. T, like in tomato. And the word is visit. Visit. Now I want to add the suffix or. Someone who visits is called a visitor, or one who visits. A, like an apple. K, like in canoe, t like in tomato. And the word is act. Now we're going to add the which is spelled O-R, and that's someone who acts is called an actor. Like in sun, A, like in train, like in lemon. And the word is sail. Now we want to add the to make someone who sails. It's a sailor. A, like an inch, N, like a nest, V, like in van, E, like an egg, N, like in nest, T, like in tomato. And the word is invent. Someone who invents is called an inventor. We add the OR. D, like in dolphin, A, like an octopus, K, like in canoe, T, like in tomato, like an OR, like in the suffix OR. And the word is doctor. Now remember, this one does not follow the English language. You just have to memorize it. It comes from the Latin. And that's the end of the lesson.